Now we start the creation of Gerber files. So now whatever you are in the position, it's not a problem. Just now go to the colors. You have to click there. Now you open the components category by double clicking here and go to the test points category and double click, and you open the subcategories in the test points category and select all the categories from starting to end total. Now you have to press or click true size yes, pickable yes, and visible no. And now you can start the process and go to the top level, and you have to click here components category, double click yes, outline yes, and next names yes, and after that come to the test points category and visible as the test points category and double click here and outlines yes and names yes, and come below and don't change anything and don't touch anything in middle of this, and come to the figures category and double click here, and after that board outline yes, after that text yes. Before that you have to double click the highlights category. You have to visible invisible the first pad, and by double clicking this it will be no and okay. And after this go to the layers, and here also same thing you have to do. Some first onwards you have to select all things visible no, and come to the first level. You have to highlight only top silk to top placement, only 5 layers you have to highlight or select, and click visible yes, and come to the below. I have to select documentation and visible yes, or you can double click on documentation, it will be visible yes. You have to be keep this documentation layer to be visible, and this 5 layers also have to be visible. This Gerber is for creating only CS silk. Okay, now click here, okay, and preview. After clicking preview you can see whatever you want for a CS silk layer, it will be visible, and click OK. Now once refresh, once again refresh, and come to the file menu, click file, and have to come to the subcategory manufacturing export. Here you have to click artwork. Now here there are some Gerber RS274X will be there from startup, but if it is not there, means the device useful for Gerber creation, it will not be there. Then you have to go to the setup device, and you have to click photo plotter, then you can set up. You have to be in output to 2, there should be file, this has to be select, okay, file, and select a device file. Here in program files Juke and cast are user, automatically the say the following folder will open. Here we have to select RS274X user, for Gerber creation. So you have to select this, open. The same Gerber RS274X will come here. This whatever the device is useful for Gerber creating the spool files or Gerbers, means mainly it should be called as spool files. So you have to take this Gerber RS274X. Okay, this is selected. Then go to you have to click OK again. OK. Now you have to we have selected the our appropriate device file. So you have to select options in the selections category. So you have to click the options. So the same whatever the selection will be here, you have to be leave like that. If mirror is selected, you have to deselect that, and whatever the pad adjustment all should be like this. So you should not be like selecting the mirror. So it has to be like this. And OK, and scale, and you have to click scale and position. While clicking this, the new window will open. Here the scale should be 1:1. It has to be 1:1, it must. And then rotation should be 0. It has to be 0. And whatever the size will become, it will come here. Auto position I have to select, or if it's not selected, you have to select auto position. Okay, the whatever the mirror is there, you should not be select. It has to be like this only, deselection. No, it should not be select. Okay, now 1:1 scale, rotation 0, auto position. For every Gerber files, we have to see these selections compulsory. Okay, then you have to click OK. Don't go into this selections file. Don't select. Don't touch this. Touch this thing. Now you have to click report. While clicking report, new window will come. You have to select view report and save report to file. You have to select only these two options. Then you have to click change file name. The new window will come. Now you have to go to the folder what you have created on the desktop, not here. You don't want to save the CSL file here. You have to go to the folder what you have created on the desktop with the project name file or whatever the file name you have created. For example, here Gerber creation. You have to select this, and you have to highlight this. You have to type the text cs space clk, cs silk, only in small letters, cs silk. Then now you have to save this, save. Okay, now you have to start processing. Now you are creating the original spool file, so you have to click start processing. Start processing. The same automatically the whatever the spool file have to be saved, the same folder will come. Why this folder will come means, while creating Gerber files at first stage, you have selected at the file tools options, you have created this folder folder output. So automatically it will come. So you have to see the same folder what we have created for this project is correct or not. Well, you have to select this Gerber creation. Now we have to type the file name cs silk, cs silk. Okay, cs space silk. Now save. Okay, continue and close. Now spool file for cs silk has been created. Now you have to create the spool file for ss silk. Same, you can go to the colors and don't touch anything here. Don't touch. Now go to the layers, select whatever the file layers you have visible for the top silk. Now you have to be deselect this, means invisible means visible. No, you have to click this and come down. You have to select another layers, file layers, bottom silk to top bottom placement. Now you can click the option of visible as. Don't touch the documentation thing. It has to be visible. Now click OK, preview,